In this video, I will show you how to add a calendar date picker in Google Sheets. Let's get started. Open your Google Sheets document. Select the cell or range of cells where you want the date picker to appear. Navigate to the Data menu at the top of the page. Click on Data Validation from the drop-down options. Click on Add Rule. In the Data Validation dialog box, look for the Criteria section. From the drop-down menu, select as Valid Date. Under the section labeled If the data is invalid, choose the option to show a warning. Click on Done to apply the data validation settings. To test the date picker, click on one of the validated cells and double-click it. A calendar date picker will pop up, allowing you to select any valid date. If you need to change any settings later, like the date range, you can change it from the data validation settings by selecting the cell. This process enables a user-friendly way to input dates and reduces errors in data entry by utilizing a visual calendar interface.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.